Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Setianingtias, and here I want to give the explanation about the TEFL final test. And the first is I want to use the method of audiolingual method. Audiolingual method is a method that emphasizes on listening skill and speaking skill, and the student can do the speaking with the perfect grammarly. And then the audiolingual method, also the method that has characterized: first, language learning is habit formation. Second, mistakes are bad and should be avoided. Third, language skills are learned more effectively if they are presented orally first, then in written form. So that's why audiolingual method is based on listening and speaking skill. Then I want to give you the principle of the audiolingual method. The principle is the first one. Language can be broken down into three major component parts. The first is the sound system, second is the structure, and the third is vocabulary. Then the only authority for correctness is actual use of native speakers. Then number three, one can learn to speak and understand language only being exposed to the spoken language and by using the spoken language. Then the four is language can be learned inductively far more easily than deductively. Then grammar should be never thought as an end itself, but only as a means to the end of learning the language. Then use of the student's native language in class should be avoided or kept to minimum in second language teaching. So the student have to use only English language in this class when we use the audiolingual method. Then the structure to which the students are exposed to should always sound natural to native speaker. So they have to imitate the natural sound of English from the native speaker. Then the last is all structural materials should be presented and practiced in class before the student attempt to study at home. Then here I want to give my student material about report text. Report text, the first is classification and description. And here about the report text, I want to give them the video. And the video is about the floods.
Floods are a natural event in which a dry area or a dry piece of land suddenly gets...
So I want to give them about the flood learned and in a report way. Then in this material I use the top-down technique. What is top-down technique? Top-down technique is a technique that emphasizes on the listening skill too. Then this is an essential skill that given to the real life listening section. So I want to my student to listen carefully about this video, and then they can tell me, they can speak whatever in this video. Okay, then the step of learning. The step of learning in my class is the first, checking attendance. The first is greeting, then checking attendance. Then I give them about the material. That the material is report text, and then I will show them the video of the floods. And then after the student heard about the video and watch about the video, I want them to speak up with their own words what is about the video. And then after that I will choose them randomly in front of the class to give their opinion and about this video, and then I will give them the homework. Okay, so let's start. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. So today we will learn about the report text. In report text there are two generic structure, classification and description. And in this report text I will not give you about the PowerPoint, but I will give you about the video, and the video is, you can check in this screen. This is about the flooding explanation. Okay, then I will show you the video, and after that you will speak with your words in front of the class, and I will choose one of you to deliver your opinion in front of the class. Okay, then after that I will give you the homework about this video. Okay, I think that's all for today. Today is about the report text, and we can learn that we should keep our world, we should keep our environment to keep it clean and avoiding any accident or phenomenon. Okay, so thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, that's it about the actual situation when I give my student about this material. I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.